What's up guys, it's Vince back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be presenting you some storm footage. Yeah, so the actual footage was taken on Thursday, January 16th, and the reason why I want to present this to you guys, it was actually pretty bad. The last storm that we had on Thursday, there's a flooding advisory, thunderstorm warning. So basically, like, let me tell you, in the morning, the clouds were like really dark, right? And I had pee in the morning, so the skies were like all red and all that, and it's like, oh boy, this doesn't look good. Yeah, the clouds were very dark and they look like shell clouds, but we never get those here. What else to say? And then like sometime around like 10 o'clock in the morning, it started raining. It was actually raining pretty bad because like it was downpouring and I was freaking drenching myself out there. Yeah, as I'm about to show you. Yeah, and after the main part of the storm, there's supposed to be like scattered showers and scattered thunderstorms. And when I was at my tutoring center, apparently it was hailing, and yeah, it got so bad. I took my camera out and everyone was going crazy, like, oh wow, look at that, there's hail. There's tons of like ice particles on the car and the roads and making it very slippery. So yeah, that hailstorm was even worse than the one that we had during March of last year, if you remember that one. Yeah, so yeah, sit back and enjoy, and here we go. It's pouring like hectic out here. Ooh, the rain's getting to me. Just look at this. See, look at the ice on this car. Oh my god. Holy dude, it's hailing out there. There could be thunder too. Dude, just look at that over there. Holy shoot. This looks worse than the one from March. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. This is crazy. Should we go inside and shut the door? Should we go inside and shut the door? Oh my god. This is crazy, man. Are you cold like it? Huh? Are you cold? I'm kind of cold right now. Alright. Oh my goodness. I'm so lucky to be out here. Wow. Oh no, it's getting worse. Holy shoot. Oh my. Oh, look at the hail on this side. Oh. Oh. See, look, there's ice on the floor. Everywhere, there's ice. Oh, there it goes again. My hands are shaking, it's so cold.
Oh man, this rain is getting...
Let me see if this is hail again. Nope, it's rain. Alright, the hailstorm's over. Alright, so yeah, to recap this, I would say that was like probably one of the worst hailstorms I've seen. Over from the second one, or from the first one that we had early last year. Last year's one wasn't that bad, but this one was pretty. It was even worse, and it was very cold as well. And I think the hailstorm lasted for about 2 to 3 minutes. But I think the last one lasted about 4 minutes. But yeah, so yeah, I think this year's hailstorm was even worse than the one that we had the year before. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and yeah. With that being said, that will be it.